clash between Mahua Moitra and Justice Markanday Kachchu has rapidly evolved from a social media spat into a flashpoint of much larger debate. Is the Trinamool Congress intellectual core preparing for a historic pivot towards the BJP in Calcutta? The controversy erupted after Justice Kachchu posted a provocative prediction on social media in a move that sent shockwaves through the Calcutta's political corridors. He specifically named Mahua Moitra, Sagarika Ghosh, and Sayoni Ghosh as the leaders who might find it politically prudent to jump to ships. His logic was cold and tactical, suggesting that after the TMC's massive defeat in the assembly election, these articulate, high-profile figures would be far more useful to the BJP that now holds 207 seats mandate in the West Bengal. And he argued that joining the winning side would be their only way to avoid the political wilderness. While Kachchu deleted the post shortly after it went viral, the damage, or perhaps the provocation, was already done. The rumored mill began spinning. It is the TMC's intellectual wing looking for a new home. And Mahua Moitra's response was no thunders, no. But she didn't just issue a standard denial, she launched a high-stakes counter-offensive centered on the concept of sacrifice. Mahua Moitra reminded her audience that she didn't enter politics to chase the winning side by highlighting her transition from high-flying banking career at JP Morgan in London and the New York to trenches of Bengal. She signaled that her politics is ideological, not transactional. And for Moitra, a jump to the BJP wouldn't just be a defection, it would be an ideological suicide, dismantling the national brand she was built as one of the Prime Minister's most vocal critics. And however, politics analysts are looking deeper at this exchange, and by branding Kachchu's claims as unfounded, Moitra is acting as the iron gate for the party in crisis. And in the world of modern digital politics, rumors of defection can become self-fulfilling prophecies. And if the rank and file believe the top-tier leadership is looking for the exit, the entire party structure can collapse. Moitra's aggressive rebuttal is a strategic effort to stop a domino effect before it begins. So was Justice Markanday's post a genuine glimpse into a shifting political tide, or was he simply testing the waters to see who would blink first? And in a Bengal where BJP now holds a massive mandate, the pressure on the TMC's intellectual core is higher than it has ever been in a decade. Whether Moitra's loyalty remains a personal shield or reflects a party-wide sentiment is the question that continues to loom over the Trinamool fortress today. Thank you for watching.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.